Which animal do you think holds the records for the most tea? Is it the ferocious shark? Or the armored armadillo? The real champion is actually the humble snail. While sharks look intimidating, the average garden snail is equipped with a powerhouse of 14,000 microscopic grinding teeth. They don't bite like we do. They use that massive dental army to scrape and grind their food away. Nature is full of weird records. Follow and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about the world's most incredible creatures.